in the suburbs of Brisbane, Australia. Bustling metropolis teeming with a population in the millions, an extraordinary tale unfolds. Nestled within this urban landscape, we find a male human fervently engaged in a remarkable endeavour. In his humble abode, he has transformed every nook and cranny into a workshop where he is constructing a magnificent fiberglass boat. But why, you may wonder? The answer lies in the age-old pursuit of love and courtship. In the intricate world of human relationships, it is often said that possessing a fine vessel can greatly enhance one's chances of winning the affections of the opposite sex. This particular male human has taken this notion to heart, wholeheartedly believing that his craftsmanship and his impressive boat will serve as a testament to his suitability as a mate. His dedication knows no bounds as he meticulously works with fiberglass, shaping it into a sleek and elegant form. His hands deftly maneuver, guided by an instinctual desire to impress. Each layer of resin applied, each stroke of the brush, represents his unwavering commitment to the pursuit of love. His house, once a mere dwelling, has become a testament to his ambition and dedication. It is a story that speaks to the timeless dance of courtship, a saga of determination, and the lengths to which creatures, both human and animal, will go in their quest for love and companionship. Mickington has been documenting the entire build process, just in case somebody wants to copy him. This silly human wants to show us he's got some unusual ideas and ways of constructing them. Our team remains unobtrusive, allowing Mickington's progress to unfold naturally. It's interesting to watch the sheer determination. He thinks it's the only way to get a premium female human. My girl, what a guy. How will this vessel turn out? Not even Mickington would know.
I permanently mounted the laser so I could use my good laser there. I've marked on each boat hoist post where level is, so if I get it off the trailer, I can set the top window frame perfectly level, real easy. This hoop is going to hold the whole window frame assembly together. I need to do the penetrations for the actuator posts in all 4 positions. Then I need to cut this back. Then I need to somehow clean this side up so it looks like a nice fiberglass side. Make a female mold of that. So then I can crack that off and then hack up my old roof so it can house the female mold or the female piece of the fiberglass that will cup over the hoop, which will cup over when the actuators come down. I think the lasers should get me within 3 mil, which I think should be fine because I'm going to shim it loose. What I've come up with is probably something that a lot of you won't agree with, but it's the only thing that I can do by myself, and at least it'll get me going. Also, I've got to make these side pillars. I've got to slide this hoop back now because I need to pull these actuator posts out. I wish I didn't put them in. I do like these, Douglas. I think they make me smarter. I'm lasering on the edge of this crack here, so it ends up here. This and this have been fiberglass, not entirely symmetrically, so this and this is both going to be slightly off, but you'll never notice coming this way. To eye it that way, you won't be able to do it. And then once I weld up all the brackets and all the spaces and everything, it's just going to put everything out of whack. I just need to start doing something, even if it means I've got to fix stuff up. That's something that I've learned, and that's how I've got to this stage now. You just have to keep doing something, don't overthink it. Get this boat in the water! Ah!
Oh dear, what in the devil is he on about? I'm afraid Makington isn't very good at explaining things.
I made this with the CNC router just to hold it 90 degrees to the top. No, I had it on AC. Three more to go, and hopefully I get better at welding. I haven't done TIG for a while. I've got this new Christmas present. It didn't help me weld better. Okay, the review on these, they're really good to look through, but I feel like I'm gonna get sunburned. Last time I listened to my dad's advice about you can weld through a beer bottle, I got the worst welding flash. Thanks, Dad. Now I've got to line that up really good on the CNC. And that's how I straighten this up. Oh dear, can you see a problem? Massive difference. Dope. Then I found out I should have put something inside the middle of here. Now I need to clean all of that poop up. Damn it. It doesn't even fit in the gap. Oh my God. It must have moved while I was cutting it. I'm spewing. It's bent. I shouldn't have used the plasma cutter. I think it's still going to be usable though. It's only folded in on these two edges and it's a little bit like a banana from there, which is definitely not ideal. I might have to buy some more box. Dope. This is underneath the dash. I was going to make another slit here, but I don't think I'll do that. I think if the actuator does go faulty, I'll just undo the screws out of the motor and out of here, and then the actuator can come apart like this. I left this one out in the rain. I thought it was going to be more waterproof. So there's another massive possible problem, which I'm sure a lot of you think that I'm an idiot, but I'll still run with it. I've gone this far. More reason to make it easily replaceable.
Look at this stupid idiot. Do I have to keep doing this?
These will be going through the hoop, which is why the bolts are so long, and I will be cutting this wing off because that needs to go where the front window curves. For now, I just want to compress this and see how watertight it is and how stiff it is and how much play I have when the actuator is fully out. I'm gonna have to put another screw here, I think. These posts were a bit short. I've got the earth lead here. The sheet of stainless is clean. Can anyone tell me why it does this? Why doesn't it work? It'll work after I redo it again. Once the hole.
and that's how you blob it.
I still haven't screwed this in here yet. This is pretty level with the laser, but I was going to wait until I got everything else level and lift it up so it's easier to see if it's all level, and then I'll screw in the bits down here. But it's already really strong like that. It doesn't have hardly any play in it, so I'm happy with the shims. The shims are good. It still goes through pretty freely. The rubber seal is undersized around this box, which makes it very difficult to tighten this down, which is why I had to put extra screws in here. I've only got 3 screws holding it in here. I will have a plate here eventually, and I'll probably have a plate here. These rear actuators are going to be a little bit trickier, especially the one in the toilet. I'll have to make a cowling that goes over here.
For that one,
that's how much higher the roof is going to be. 450 millimeters. It's actually about there. I need to weld the flange on to here, which will be in a recess in the roof up here, which will cup over this hoop. I still need to cut this hoop to shape, but I've got to finish doing the actuator posts first. 1 nearly done, 3 more to go. I've been working a lot lately, so that's why I haven't made that much progress, and I've got to go back to work again, so I'm not going to get more progress done for even longer.
please like and subscribe.